Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Mmaneo_V, and today we have a very exciting video for me, and I know for my other subscribers because you guys are nosy. So if you are a subscriber or an OG subscriber or part of the notification gang, you will know, and you watched my vlog, you will know that my husband recently got me 2 Louis Vuitton bags. One of them was a surprise, and it was like a completely surprise. He pulled it off. He actually pulled off the surprise. Let me just tell you a quick story if you don't watch my vlog, but after here you can quickly go watch the vlog so you can understand what's going on. But also I wanted to put a quick disclaimer: if you are not into designer brands and you hate the whole designer label culture, you can get off the video. But I'm not saying go watch other YouTubers, you must watch my videos. So let's start with the story. So I've been wanting to obviously go into the designer brands handbag for a long time, but obviously you can't just decide. You can't just wake up and be like, I want to start buying designer bags. You have to think. For someone who's married like me, you have to obviously talk to your partner. It's a financial discussion that you have with your person. You just don't wake up and decide to go designer bags. So I had wanted the Neverfull. I had wanted the Neverfull for the longest time, and the reason why I wanted the Neverfull is because my aunt had once got a Neverfull when I was like really young, and I was like, what the hell? Like the quality, the box of the bag. This was back then when like Louis Vuitton still had the brown boxes, and the brown boxes looked like wood. They were not like a box, it was like a woody situation. And I was like, there's no way to get me this. Like, there's no way. So I was obsessed with this. I was like super obsessed. And then as time goes on, I used to watch a lot of like what's in my bags, unboxings and all of that. And there's one of my favorite bloggers, Lydia, was talking about the Pochette Metis, and I was like, oh my god, this bag is so beautiful. But the problem is that I was a mom, and I was like, for me to start, obviously my first bag is gonna be the Neverfull. I can't just pass and go to Pochette Metis because obviously it's small and I'm always with my kids, and I wanted to have an everyday designer bag. But also the Pochette Metis was haunting me. It was haunting me, guys. Like I could not. I would make my husband watch videos. I'm like, look at this bag. Look at the workmanship on the bag. It's so good. Like I'd always. And also there's a lady on Instagram. You guys can check her out, Zama. She also has one, and she's one of my favorite. Like she is my favorite. Fashion. I know she's not even she doesn't consider herself a blogger. She really does know how to dress, and she also had it, and I'm like, no ways, I need to get this back because I could see how she styled it. I could not stop thinking about it. So you know, every time I would go to inquire, they'll tell me that no, they don't have the normal brown monogram. They'll tell me that they had the leather empreinte either in pink or in black, and I was just like, you know what, I'm forgetting about this bag. So when we decided to go get the bags, I obviously was like, I'm probably going to compromise and get the Alma, because I literally cannot find the Pochette Metis anywhere in the brown monogram. So when I went to the store, I was actually, the funny thing is that if you watch the vlog, you'll understand that day I was not even planning. Like I didn't know. My husband actually pulled. I'm still shocked that he pulled the surprise. We went to the store, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go get the Neverfull and we'll go to the market. Fine. We got to the store, and I picked out my Neverfull. I was fine. They offered us champagne. I'm not gonna lie. When you're in the Louis Vuitton store, you feel like you have money. Like you feel like you're in a luxury store, because they will serve you with champagne, they will serve you with dessert, they'll give you, like, they'll even offer you a seat. It's comfortable. Like you're not uncomfortable where someone is like following you, or do you understand? It's a very comfortable shopping experience. I chose my Neverfull. SA was like, you guys can compare, and I was like, oh no, you can go, babe. I'm fine. I'm chilling here on my Instagram. Like I don't really I'm just chilling. I just want my bag. So So my husband kept on insisting, but it was not like very unnatural. He was like, no, babe, let's just go sit that side. And I was like, no, you guys can go. And it would like the essays were like, no, you must go sit that side. I was like, oh, okay. Everyone is insisting, let me go. So we went, and I think they were asking if I want to be on my husband's profile, and I was like, yeah, you can put me on my husband's profile. And you know, everything was natural. Like, yeah, but no, we're fine. Literally, we are fine. We are just paying the bag so we can go. And then like my husband was like, okay, no, I'm going to wrap the purchase for you. I'm coming back. And then I think 5 minutes later, she comes with the duffel, and she's like, this was courtesy of her husband. And I'm like, what is this lady giving me? I'm thinking, okay, maybe she's giving me those like little cute sample perfumes, or she's just, you know, just for buying. Like, you know how sometimes you get like gifts for buying, you know, when you go to Edgar's and you buy something, they give you a gift. So I opened it and I'm like, what the fuck is this? So it looked small, but when I touched it, it felt big. I opened it and it was the fucking Pochette Metis. Guys, I was so surprised, guys. I was so surprised. And since then, guys, I literally opened my bag once. I opened my bag once, put it back, tried tying the bow properly, and I've never used it because I love it so much. I literally love that bag so much. So after boxing back my bag, I was doing more research like of how to take care of the bag, because I did not want to damage the bag. I love the bag so much, and every time I was doing research, people were talking about how they're protecting the vachetta leather, which is the handle, from patinaing, and you know, and I was like, I'm not doing that. I feel like, why should I debunk, because this is my bag, and you know, the browner the strap gets, it's adding more character, it's just showing. But I was just like, so I took the bag out again, and I'm like, I looked at the leather, and the reason why it's called vachetta leather is because it's not processed. I will take out the bag and unbox the bag, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I started like, do I really want my bag to turn brown? So I started panicking. I was like, no, what the, like I don't know what to do. I was like, what should I do? Should I just use the bag or what? And I was just like, I don't know what to do. So my husband was like, I feel like you should think of a way on how you want to protect your vachetta, because I was just like, also I've seen some people around, their leather was like brown and like golden, and I didn't like that look. I genuinely didn't like the look. So I decided to go into the Louis Vuitton store actually, and I went to go get this bandeau. And initially I did not want this bandeau. I wanted the one with the red. Let me just put this back. I wanted the one with the red, and when I got there, the red one was on display, and it also was wrinkled, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. If I'm paying this much money for this fabric, it better be new, because I am not going to do that. So since I've already unboxed my bandeau, let me just show you what type of bandeau I got. I got this brown one. I think this is the classic that everyone has. So it's time for me to unbox my bag for you guys. So this is the bag, guys. I even tried doing the, oh my god, what happened, the Louis Vuitton tie. You know what, I did what I could. So let me just I think I should unbox it in front of you guys. This is so weird. Oh my god, I went in. Oh, there. Is it upright properly, or is it upside down? Oh, there you go. So this is the box. You guys know that the box is like a very hard, nice, stiff box. So inside the box is the bag and the receipts. I know some of you are gonna be like, it's fake, she probably, no sweetie, the receipts are here. I'm obviously not gonna show you the insides of the receipts because it has my details and my husband's details and our address. So this is the duffel. Let me just put this box down. This is the duffel. Oh fuck. This is the duffel. I just removed the sticker of the Pochette Metis and the price. I'm just not about that. And guys, I'm even scared to touch this bag myself. That's how much I like it. This is the bag. I've never used this. I've literally just took it out to just look at it. Literally. So this is the back of the bag. It's literally perfect. I can't even explain to you the front part. I know a lot of people complain about the front part being like a little bit jagged. Mine is completely perfect, and because I'm bougie, I genuinely prefer my Louis Vuitton products or bags, whatever, to be made in France. I don't want no Louis Vuitton made in USA or whatever. So that was one of my requests. And this is how you open the bag. It clicks, so you don't use both of the pins here. Use one. So the interior is completely brown. If you can see here, this is the little badge that's written made in France. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It has 3 compartments. They're all brown and they like a very soft lining. What else? Oh, and I also wanted to show you the back pocket. Inside the back pocket they have this. There's a little tag here, like a leather tag that they put in. So what that tag is, it has a number on it. And with that number, it basically helps with authentication of the bag and also where the bag was made and when was it made. So my bag was made in 2019 and it was made in France. So as we were speaking on the Pochette, this is the Pochette leather. So it's like we have it on the handle, we have it on the sides here, and we also have it here. So what people do, sometimes they buy something called a leather guard or something like watermark guard and they spray it. So that doesn't stop the Pochette from patinaing, which makes it like a little bit brown, but it makes the process go slower. But I'm not even trying to do that. I don't want no patinaing on my handle. But also in terms of the bandeau, it makes it look a little bit pretty and like stylish when you put the bandeau around the handle. It also, what did I want to tell you? And I still have my, what do you call it? I still have my sellotape or my covers on here. I don't think I'm gonna take them out anytime soon because I don't want it to scratch. So as you can see, I have the tape on. I know you can buy these tapes. Some people sell them and you can cover your bag with them. I just don't want it to scratch that early. And yeah, that's it. So I am done putting on the bandeau on. I tried my best, but I actually like this style. It's super cute. But this Pochette here is still exposed, but I doubt I will touch my bag here unless if there's a drunk person and decides to get drunk and pause my bag with something here. But rather than that, this is the bandeau on. The Pochette handle is fully covered with the bandeau. And let me just bring the bag up close. Ooh, guys, the light. This is the bag up close. And just, you know, a last sneak peek. Or maybe let me just switch off this light so I can bring it closer. That's it. No. And then let me show you the handle because it's actually a very pretty handle. This is how it looks. Ooh, it's not focus there. So on the sides you can see that it's written Louis Vuitton Rose. I'm joking, guys. Louis Vuitton. On the sides, and it has these gold holes. And I also wanted to show you that the hooks had, I hope this focuses. Yeah, the hooks have a Louis Vuitton printing or engraved on it. This was hard. I hope this is not a long video, but I'm probably gonna shoot a what's in my bag with the same bag because I like this bag so much. More. I like this bag so much, guys. I kid you not, I'm probably gonna do what's in my bag very soon. So guys, I hope this video is not long. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we will be having more unboxings, let's say a year or quarterly. Just sending an order to the universe, and you know she answers. But I hope you enjoyed me and my best friend. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.